Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA Online on your PlayStation 5. First, ensure your console has a stable internet connection, ideally wired for optimal performance. Next, confirm your PlayStation Plus subscription is active. It's essential for online multiplayer. Then, simply launch the FIFA game. Once in the game, navigate to the online section or Ultimate Team mode to begin your journey. FIFA offers several exciting online modes. Ultimate Team is incredibly popular, letting you build your dream squad from thousands of players and compete in various competitions. Online Seasons provides a more traditional league experience, where you climb divisions by winning matches. For a more relaxed experience, you can invite friends to play casual online friendlies. Each mode offers unique challenges and rewards. Once you've chosen your preferred mode, initiate matchmaking. The game system will quickly find an opponent with a comparable skill rating, usually within 30 seconds to 1 minute. During the match, master your controller to perform precise passes, powerful shots, and crucial defensive tackles. Effective communication with teammates, often via in-game voice chat, can significantly improve your chances of victory. To excel online, consistent practice is key. Spend time in training modes to perfect skill moves and defensive strategies. Understanding player chemistry and choosing the right formation for your squad can give you a significant edge. Always ensure you have a stable, low-latency internet connection to prevent frustrating lag. Finally, review your match replays to identify areas for improvement and refine your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.